to all pilgrims who is observing Navadvip Dham Parikrama. All glories to assembled devotees. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Bhanumati. To Bhanumati. Ajogama, through Jogama. Vishnupriya. All glories to. So anyway, hey, so today we are going to discuss about Madodram Deep. Madodram Deep is a 9 island. What is the 9 island? Name of the 9 island? Antadip, the middle, Simantadip, Godrumdip, Madhodip, Kolodip, Ritudip, Jannudip, Madodramdip, then Rudradip. In this way. Who is the middle? This is Jogapit temple, is Antadip, middle. So, this 9 island, the today's island, Madodram Deep, which is representing the limb of devotion, servant, Dasho, who become delivered through this limb of devotion, Hanuman. Hanuman is devotee of Lord Ram, right? Do you like Hanuman? Who like Hanuman? Who like Hanuman? Everybody like Hanuman. You don't like Hanuman. So I'm going to read this Hanuman. And actually, what is the significance of that Madodram Deep? I'm just going to read it in Bengali language. Then accordingly, also it is a poetical way explained by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur vision how Lord Nityananda explained the glories of Madodram Deep to Jiva Goswami Pada and others. That way he explained here, he mentioned here. Samangalacharan. Jaya Jaya Panchatattvaadamakam Gaura Hari. Jaya Jaya Navadipo Dhama Sarvapari. Hey, light. No. All glories to Panchatattva Gaur Hari. Means গোপাল ওখানে গিয়ে মাইকটা আস্তে করে দাও, নাহলে এখানকারটা কেটে দাও। ওনাকে বলেছিলাম ক্লাস দিতে, আস্তে করে দাও। জয় জয় পঞ্চতত্ত্বাত্মকং গৌর হরি। জয় জয় নবদ্বীপ ধাম সর্বোপরি। All glories to Panchatattva Gaur Hari. Means Pancha means 5, Tattva means absolute truth. Absolute truth is Krishna. The Krishna appear with 5 forms. Krishna appear in the form of a devotee named Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna's manifestation, another form, is Balaram. Balaram appear here in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. Krishna, so many incarnation, Shiva, together, Sri Advaita Acharya. Then Krishna plays their potency in the form of Srivas Pandit. These are the five Panchatattva. Source is Gauranga. Source is Krishna. Therefore he says, Jaya Jaya Panchatattva Gaura Hari. All glories to five absolute truth, Gaura Hari. A combination of five absolute truth is Gaura Hari. Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Jaya Jaya Navadipo Dhama Sarvapari. All glories to essence of all holy places. Holy Dham is Navadip. All glories, all glories. Mamgachi Madhudram Deep Abhinna Ajodha. This Ayodhya and Mamgachi is non-different. Is non-different. Mamgachi game giya Nityananda Rai Bole Madhudram Ajodhya Hetai. Actually, his theme is this. Lord Nityananda took Jiva Goswami and others devotees, and he is showing the significance of Holy Dham, Navadvip Dham. So 9 islands is Navadvip. Navo means 9, Deep means island, 9 island. The one island is Madhudram Deep. This is considered like a non-different of Ayodhya. So Mamgachi game giya. In the village, Mamgachi, Nityananda Prabhu as soon as reached, then he says, this Madhudram is non-different of Ayodhya. This is he explained. Bole, ei Madhudram Ayodhya heta. Non-different Ayodhya. If you are not able to come Ayodhya, just go to Mamgachi. Then you can get benefit. Navadvip Dham Parikrama means you are performing, you are circumambulating all the holy places. This is significant. বনবাস কালে শ্রী রামচন্দ্র সীতা এবং লক্ষণের আগমন. When Ramchandra was in exile, Ramchandra, he has desire. Don't think Kaikeyi sent him exile. No. Ramcharit Manas, there is explanation. Valmiki Ramayana explained this Manthara twisting the mind of Kaikeyi. But here another version that once Ramchandra lying down on the floor, means floor means not that floor, lying down and his head on the lap of Kaikeyi. Kaikeyi actually, her love better than her love towards Ram is better than Bharat. So one day, Ramchandra asking Mother Kaikeyi, Do you love me? Yes. How? More than me. More than me. If someone asks you, do you love me? What do you say? Huh? Do you love? You know, the Ramchandra, when he asked Kaikeyi, Mother Kaikeyi, he said, I love you more than my life. My life is shorter. My life is not important, but my love towards you is most important. Then Ramchandra asked, for fulfilling my desire, if I request you anything, are you able to do it? Yes. Even I can take poison for your satisfaction, if you want. If you say, for my satisfaction, mother, you take poison, I can ready to take poison. Is it right? Is it true? Kaikeyi says, yes, it is true. Ramchandra asking, Mother, tomorrow, heir of throne, the ceremony going to happen for me. Do you know heir of throne means? Huh? Heir of throne. Do you know meaning? Do you know the meaning? Huh? Rajyabhishek. Heir of throne going to take place tomorrow. The ceremony take place tomorrow. But if I just simply become king of Ayodhya, then I am not able to fulfill my purpose. My purpose, three purpose I am coming here. Krishna explained. Lord appear with three purpose. Paritranaya sadhuna. To rescue all the sadhu from these different dangers. Right? One reason. Vinasa cha duskritam. Whoever the demonic nature disturbing all these, vinas, destroy them. Either change their mind, either kill them, deliver them. You know the meaning? So, dharma samsthapanarthaya. And third reason, I want to re-establish dharma. Re-establish dharma in this universe. This is the purpose. But if I just simply in Ayodhya, I cannot rescue all the sadhu from the trap of demonic from I cannot rescue sadhu from the actual demonic trap. This is the explanation. So Kaikeyi asked, so what do you want me to do? Then Ramchandra say, once father told you, see, he wants to give you two boon. But you are not accepting that. You are always reject to get those boon. But now the time, you have to ask two boon from father. Father Dasharatha, when he come, ask him that there is two conditions. You have to be a little bit dramatic. no ornament, dark room, no any enthusiasm to attend the ceremony, heir of throne. Yes, I can do that. Vaikeyi says, I can do that. So when Father Dasharatha come to you, you have to tell him, I want that 2 boon what you wanted to give me. My father may say, yes, what you want? Then you say, I want to send Ram in exile 14 years. 14-year exile. Living in forest means exile. And then second, instead of me, heir of throne ceremony, master ceremony will Bharat. Your son, Bharat. Or you can say, Bharat, he appoint Bharat as the heir of throne. Let him sit there, Singhasana. This is the 2 things you have to ask instead of the 2 boon. Ask them. So therefore, Ramchandra was in exile. During the exile, Ramchandra actually Nityananda explained about Ramchandra that when during the exile, Ram came here with Lakshmana and Sita. And here, the Bonavas Kale, Sri Ramchandra, Sita, Lakkhaner Agavan. Purbo kalpe jabe Ram hoilo bonobasi Lakshan Janaki hole ei sthane ashi. In the past life, Purbo kalpa mane, kalpa means as bombas before one before mane ki holo bombas 1 day means 994 Chaturjug. This is 1 kalpa. Do you know meaning? Satto, Teta, Dapur, Koli. Golden age, silver age, copper age and iron age. All together called 1 Chaturjug. 71 Chaturjug means 1 Manmantar. 14 Manmantar means bombas 1 day. Bombas 1 day means 1 kalpa. The Purva kalpa means previous kalpa. Previous kalpa period. Ram, during the exile, came here, Lakshman, Janaki. Came here in the Madhudramdev, Lakshman, with Lakshman and Janaki. Am I clear? Mohabata bikho tale kutiro badhiya kotodin bas koilo anandito hoiya. Under the banyan tree, they make a kuti hut, small hut. That small hut, Janaki Mata, Ramchandra, they are living, blissfully living over there. Ramer Hashi, one day, Ramchandra, Navadip Prabharam, Kori Darashan, অল্প অল্প হাস্য করে শিরঘুনন্দন নবদ্বীপ প্রভারাম করি দর্শন. Navadvip scenery, Ramchandra watch and then smile. অল্প অল্প হাস্য করে শিরঘুনন্দন. Ramchandra smiling. কিবা দুর্বাদল শ্যাম রূপ মনোহর রাজীব লোচন হস্তে ধনুক সুন্দর। কিবা দুর্বাদল শ্যাম, শ্যাম রূপ মনোহর, রাজীব লোচন হস্তে ধনুক সুন্দর। Ramchandra, beautification of Ramchandra explained like that. Ramchandra prince, but now is living in exile, wearing saffron, and then bow and arrow. That explanation like this. Brahmachari besh shire jata shobha kare. Brahmachari besh means brahmachari's outfit, brahmachari. Head in jet lock. Darshane shakal prani gono monohari. Whoever put their eyes, vision towards Ram, then what happened? Everybody become fully satisfied. Everybody becomes fully satisfied. Because Ramchandra is just God, a special God. Marjada Purushottam. Marjada means etiquette. So then Sita Devi Kartik Ramer Hashir Karon Jigyasa. Sita Devi asking now, Prabhu Arjaputra, now here how you are calling Damodar? Arjaputra or Damodar? What? Huh? Rohini, how is called? What is her name? Name? How you call? But if you follow the Vedic rule, then you're supposed to speak Arjaputra. Arya. Arja means father-in-law. Putra means son. Swami is guru, right? Husband like a guru. Guru's name, it should not be pronounced, should not uttered. Am I clear or not? Will you call any name? Rohini, should you call your... Pratibha. Rasaswari calling to Ananda Arja?
I tried putting the instruction. He has accepted. He told please answer but not this.
So. দাওয়া লোক হাসি হাসি মুখ দেখি জানো কি তখন জিজ্ঞাসে শ্রীরামে দেবী হাস্যের কারণ। To see the smiling face of Lord Ram, Sita Devi asking, Prabhu, Arjaputra, may I know the reason why you are smiling? May I know the reason of your smiling? Mukesh?
Yes, Maharaj.
Where?
Right here.
I'm not able to see. Okay. Ramchandra Gopon Upakhan Kathan. Now Ramchandra hidden truth going to explain. what's supposed to be hidden truth? What you think hidden truth? Actually, Ramchandra going to say, but better to read and then explain. রামচন্দ্রের গোপন উপাখ্যান প্রথম। রাম বলে শুনো সীতা জনক নন্দিনী অতি গোপনীয় এক আছে তো কাহিনী। অতি গোপনীয় means extremely hidden way. One absolute truth is there. What truth? ধন্য কলি যবে হয় এই নদিয়ায় পীত বর্ণ রূপ মোর দেখিবারে পায়। ধন্য কলি means not all kali, all just kali, iron is not the blessed. Why? Because, but this Kali Yuga is best. Why? Because Supreme Lord Sri Krishna appeared in the form of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Gauranga Mahaprabhu. This is the, not all the Kali Yuga Gauranga Mahaprabhu will appear. Gauranga Mahaprabhu appears 7 month or 28 number Chaturjugs. Just like Kali. Kali Yuga started from that time. Kali will appear. That Kali starting and then Gauranga Mahaprabhu also appear. So now also whoever married with proper ritual marriage, you can see the Brahmin they used to call the mantra. They used to talk the mantra like this, utter the mantra like this. Om Pujapati Vishnu Rishi Gayatri Chanda Shri Vishnu Devata. সত্যি না মিথ্যে? তারপরে কি বলে বৈবস্বত মন্বন্তরে অষ্টবিংশ চতুর্যুগে সাগর, that side of সাগর, what was সাগর? Whatever ocean, which side of ocean? Bhuvishta Manmantar, 7 Manmantar, 28 number Chaturjug, everything described. Whenever you marry, that time Brahmin they used to chant the mantra. That means 7 Manmantar, 28 number Chaturjug going on. In this period, Supreme Lord Sri Krishna already appeared in the form of Sri Krishna Chaitanya. So Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gauranga Mahaprabhu appeared. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu appeared this year. But next Kali Yuga, no. Before Kali Yuga, no. Only once in a Brahma day. That is called this Kali. That was the Dhanna Kali. Am I clear or not? Why Dhanna Kali? This Dhanna Kali rupe ei nodiyai. Whatever Dhanna Kali, that blessed Kali will appear here in this earth. At that time, I will come down here with Pito Varna, means gold, molten gold color. Now red is red color, Ramchandra red, Raktim, Purusha. But now at that time, I will appear in the form of Pito Varna, means molten gold color. Molten gold color, who has this? Your two together appear in the form of Lord Chaitanya. Therefore, It says, রাম বলে শুনো সীতা জনক নন্দিনী, means জনক, daughter of জনক মহারাজ, অতি গোপনীয় এক আছে তো কাহিনী, hidden truth is there. শ্রী গৌরচন্দ্রের সূচনা, ধন্য করি যবে হয় এই নদিয়ায়, পীতবর্ণ রূপ মোর দেখিবারে পায়, জগন্নাথ মিশ্র গিয়ে শিশচি উদরে, গৌরাঙ্গ রূপেতে জন্ম লোভিল সত্তরে. So this is the explanation. There is this. Explanation is this. ধন্যকলি means ধন্যকলি যুগে যবে হয় এই লীলা, পীত বর্ণ রূপ মোর দেখিবারে পায়. This time of Kali Yuga, I will appear here with molten gold color. Okay. And I will born Jagannath Mishra here, Shisochi Udare, Gauranga Rupete Janmo Loviva Sanskriti. Sattare. So Jagannath Mishra, I will appear in the house of Jagannath Mishra, in the womb of Sochi Mata. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu appear will say, then explain. বাল্যক লীলা দেখিবে যে সব ভাগ্যবান, কহিব সে সবে আমি পর প্রেম দান. Means whoever going to born, they are very fortunate, bhagyavan. Because I will distribute love without any discrimination between caste, creed, and genders. The magnanimity. I will distribute my love, the rare love. বাল্য লীলা দেখি যে সব ভাগ্যবান, করিব সে তবে আমি পর প্রেম দান. So they will get prem dan. They will get prem, pure love for Krishna. Prem is pure love for Krishna. Vidya Vilas Naam Sankirtaner Suchana. করিব সে কালে প্রিয়ে, বিদ্যার বিলাসে. Look, at the time I will act like I'm studious, study. শ্রীনাম মাহাত্ম্যকামী করিব সকাশ. আচ্ছা, বাল্যলীলা দেখিবে যে সব ভাগ্যবান, করিব সে সবে আমি পর প্রেমের ঢল. Anyway, this is the Ram Lila, Ballo Lila. When I'm a student, a small boy, I will act like a student Whoever look me, they are really fortunate. শ্রীনাম মাহাত্ম আমি করিব প্রকাশ. Nam Mahatma, glories of holy name, I will describe, I will share with others. সন্ন্যাসের সূচনা. সন্ন্যাস করিয়া আমি যাব নীলাচলে, কাঁদিবে জননী স্বীয় বধূ লয়ে কোলে. So, I will take sannyas. And the inner meaning is, Ramchandra say, in Kali Yuga, Dhanna Kali Yuga, the blessed Kali Yuga, I will take sannyas. And my wife, it means Vishnupriya, she will lie down on the lap of Sachimata. In this way, you can say. Sannyas koriya ami jabo Nilachale. After taking sannyas, I will go to Nilachal. কাঁদিবে জননী স্বীয় বধূ লয়ে কোলে. She will arrange that. That's a Bodhu. Bodhu means Vishnupriya, not you. So, Vishnupriya will cry on the lap of my mother. But he's not saying in Vishnupriya, but Bodhu means wife. Ramchandra said, my wife will cry on the lap of my mother. Sita Devi korte Gaura Avadarer Sannyasher karon jigyasa. Now Sita Devi asking, why you are going to take sannyas? এই কথা শুনি সীতা বলেন বচন, জননী কাঁদাবে কেন রাজীব লোচন. When Ramchandra explained about this, my wife will cry on the lap of Sachimata. At the time, I think this is written by someone. সন্ন্যাস করিবে কেন ছাড়িয়া গৃহিণী. আচ্ছা, পত্নী দুঃখ দিয়া সুখ বা নাহি জানি. হ্যাঁ, I have missed this one. সন্ন্যাস করিবে কেন ছাড়িয়া গৃহিণী, পত্নী দুঃখ দিয়া সুখ কিবা নাহি জানি. You are going to take sannyas. Why? Why you left your wife? Why you are going to leave your wife? What is the benefit to give her pain? Sutadevi asking all questions. Like, also Ramchandra, Sita, Lakshman, they went to Remuna during the exile. So one day Ramchandra was smiling, and not smiling, laughing loudly. Sitadevi also asking, why you are laughing? Why you? Actually, fact was there that Sita, actually that time was Kal Boishakhi, means, all of a sudden, entire sky become black, storm, typhoon type. And all the cows, this is actually awkward for you, because in West, cow farm is separate, right? From the farm, cow never come out, right? But here, cow also have freedom. So Krishna, all the going through Krishna, by going towards the destination. So all the cows, they are going towards their home destination. So that time, Ramchandra said in Dwapar Yuga, means in Copper Age. Copper Age, I'm going to perform such a custom. Cows are putting their tail out of bliss, they're coming towards home because of they thought maybe this is twilight because of dark, everything dark. And also wind, heavy wind, typhoon. Storm is there. So therefore, Ramchandra was smiling. Then Sutadevi asking why. Then Ramchandra replied, actually, this first time I'm going to do it. Going to do it in next stage, Dwapara Yuga. So what happened? Then Sita Devi have curiosity to know how you will look like at that time. Then Ramchandra with the arrow of with the flower, one type of metal instrument there on the top of arrow. With that top of arrow, spearhead. So Ramchandra take a stone and making the murti. Almost 7 days over. Sita Devi have curiosity how you will look like. Let me know. It is not finished yet, but it's moving that. Whatever dry leaves, Ramchandra covered the murti with the dry leaf. The Sita Devi just remove everything. And asking, you will look like this? That is called Tota Gopinath. Do you know Tota Gopinath? Do you know Tota Gopinath? You went there? Who went there, Tota Gopinath? তুমি গিয়েছিলে পুরীতে? তাহলে কি বেকার? In that way, exile period, Ramchandra explained the situation going to happen, what Kali Yuga happened. That it was Dwapara Yuga. Now he is telling about Kali Yuga. So I will take sannyas. My color will be molten gold. So Sita Devi also asking, why you take sannyas? Going to take sannyas? Why you become cause of crying for your wife? So such and such. If Damodar takes sannyas, what do you feel? If Aniruddha takes sannyas, what do you feel?
He will be happy and me too. He says he will be happy and me too.
If Phani Bhushan takes sannyas, what will be the role of Krishnamani? What is going to be your role? Happily allow him to go? See? Different idea. Now the Sita Devi also have curiosity to know why you are going to because of crying for your wife. দেখতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না। Always I mistake. And I will born in Ramchandra said, I will born in the Jagannath Mishra's home. And Gauranga Rupete Janma Lavika Shakti. And at that time I'll born in the name of Gauranga. বাল্যলীলা দেখিবে, বাল্যলীলা দেখিবে যে সব ভাগ্যবান, এটা কিন্তু হয়ে গেছে না, করিব সে সব যে সবে আমি বড় প্রেম দান। in that during the time during my boyhood period, I will distribute my love. Love means here pure, prem means distribute my prem. Prem means pure love for Krishna. করিব সেকালে প্রিয়ে বিদ্যার বিলাস। Ramchandra says, at that time I will act like a student. শ্রী নাম মাহাত্ম আমি করিব প্রকাশ। I will explain or I will teach others the glories of holy name, chanting holy name. That he expressed, সন্ন্যাস করিয়া আমি যাব নীলাচলে, কাঁদিবে জননী সিও প্রভু লয়ে কেমনে। So after taking sannyas, I will go to Nilachal, means Jagannath Puri, and my mother will cry. সীতা দেবী কর্তৃক গৌর অবতারের সন্ন্যাসের সব কারণ জিজ্ঞাসা। এই কথা শুনি সীতা বলেন বচন, জননী কাঁদিবে যেন রাজিবে লোচন। Means if you are going out of your home, then your mother will cry. Why you become cause of crying for your mother? That way Sita Devi asking. সন্ন্যাস করিবে কেন ছাড়িয়া গৃহিণী? Why you leave your wife and take sannyas? পত্নী দুঃখ দিয়াক সুখ কিবা নাহি জানি। So what I don't know what is the consequence to become cause of crying for wife. Your wife will cry, you will go sannyas, will leave for sannyas. Why you are thinking about it? জীব বল রাম বলে প্রিয়ে তুমি সব জানো, জীবেরে শিখাতে দেবে হইলে অজ্ঞান। জীব means শ্রীজীব গোস্বামী শিখাতে হবে হইল অজ্ঞান। এই প্রকারে প্রেম ভক্তি আস্বাদন। আমারে দুই প্রকারে প্রেম ভক্তি আস্বাদন চা। My eye is some problem now. First of all, আমাতে যে প্রেম ভক্তি তার আস্বাদন, দুই মতে হয় সীতা শুনো বচন। Towards the prema bhakti, pure love for Krishna. The two type of love for Krishna. The one, then he says like that. Sanjog or Biyog, the swing festival. When the swing coming near to us, the Sanjog, going far, Biyog, separation, union, right? আমার সংযোগে সুখ সম্ভোগ বলয়, আমার বিয়োগে সুখ বিপ্রলম্ব হয়। What is vipralamba? What is sambhog? Sambhog means when you be with your wife, this is a sambhog. When you away from wife, away from all the separation, this center of relation, like mother, wife. In that way, Ramchandra says, but actually, we have to think about this, how that swing festival, swing is coming close to you, then going out, Biyog, Shambhog, Biyog, Shambhog, Biyog. Am I clear? Separation, union. Separation, union. Separation, union. In this way. ভক্ত মোর নিত্য সঙ্গী সম্ভোগ বাঞ্ছয়, মম কৃপা বসে তার বিপ্রলম্ব হয়। When the devotee always with me, they are enjoying sambhog. By my mercy, মম কৃপা বসে তার বিপ্রলম্ব হয়। By the mercy of me, person can feel vipralamba. Vipralamba means separation with bliss. We are now separation, but soon it will be union. Always because of the sleepy mood I lost. Bhakta বিপ্রলম্ব উৎপন্ন বিপ্রলম্ব উৎপন্ন দুঃখই পরম সুখের কারণ। During the time of vipralamba, whatever separation I feel, that is the cause of your, or actually you can say, happiness. Separation, union. If Damodar left for 1 month, 1 year, you may feel separation, but when Damodar comes, you'll be extremely happy, right? Am I right or wrong? Yes. So, if you really want to establish loving connection with anyone, sometimes you have to be cause of her separation. You understand what I say? Cause of her separation. Without separation, there is no taste of union. Right? বিপ্রলম্বে শেষ করে সম্ভোগ উদয়, পূর্বাপেক্ষা কোটি গুণ সুখ আছে হয়। Vipralambo, when person of Vipralambo, he is feeling koti gun, মানে crore more than মানে বলে মানে crore মানে কোটি গুণ মানে 100,000 is called 1 lakh, 100 lakh, 100 lakhs is 1 crore মানে কোটি, 1 কোটি, কোটি গুণ. So when a person feels the Pralambo, Nived, Mata Kaushallai Sachi Devi, the Gauranga Avatare Kaushalla Janani, Sachi Devi Aditi, Vedete na Ghar, Vedete Jardhani, Gauranga, during the time of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Sachi Mata is Kaushalla. Kaushalla Janani, Sachi Mata Aditi. Again, Sachi Mata also Aditi. All the god and goddesses, mother. Diti, Aditi, meaning? Diti meaning? Who is the Diti, who is Aditi? Vishnupriya. Who is Diti, who is Aditi? You know? Oh my God.
All the gods' mothers, the demons' mothers.
You know? Yeah. Kashyapa Muni. You know, huh? Sita Devi, Vishnupriya. তুমি বিষ্ণুপ্রিয়া রূপে সেবিবে আমারে বিচ্ছেদেশী গৌর মূর্তি করিবে প্রচারে. Then Sita Ramchandra says, you are going to born in the form of Vishnupriya, and out of my separation you will establish one murti of me, Gauranga Murti, Lord Chaitanya's actual form. You will make. Ramchandra says, you will, out of separation, you will make the deities. What is going to happen? তোমার বিচ্ছেদে কভু স্বর্ণ সীতা করি ভজিব তোমারে আমি অযোধ্যা নগরী. Again he says, even due to your separation, due to then when I go, I will feel separation. No, yeah. Actually, it is like this way. It's short, but a big explanation is big. So, in this life, I will leave you, and you will cry, right? But when I will leave him and say, no, there's Ramchandra. After exile, when residents are complaining, residents gossiping, maybe it's a complaint on the gossiping, that Ramchandra accepts Sita, although Sita was 1 month, more than 1 month was in Ashokban, in the Ravana's territory. At that time, situation was, if wives stay 1 night, only 1 night, out of husband, then they consider like unchaste. The tradition was like that. That means she is unchaste. But the unchaste woman, Ramchandra accept again. At that time, Ramchandra decided because etiquette, Ramchandra is incarnation of etiquette. And what is the role of the king? He is going to show up. That time Ramchandra decided, okay, I will leave, I will let Sita go from here. When Ramchandra after exile come return, he become king, and then when people are gossip so much, then he says, I'm a king. I have to look after all my residents. Whoever is living here, they should be happy with me. In order to satisfy them, I will leave Sita. And also, this any ceremony without wife is not possible to perform. Therefore, Ramchandra says, in this life, I will keep your murti here, and Kali Yuga, you will keep my murti with you. Am I clear what is that? Because there is no proper explanation, but I have to make it. মহাপ্রভুর বিগ্রহ আরাধনা করুন, তার বিনিময়ে তুমি নদিয়া নগরে গৌরাঙ্গ প্রতিমা করি পুজিবে আমারে। এই গুড়ো কথা সীতা গোপনীয় অতি, লোকেতে প্রকাশ নাহি হইবে সম্প্রতি। Whatever I explain, that is the meaning of অযোধ্যা এবং অন্য ধামে থেকে নবদ্বীপ ভগবানের প্রিয়। সে নবদ্বীপ মোর বড় প্রিয় স্থান, অযোধ্যাদি নাহি হয় ইহার সমান। Navadvip is much more dearest place for me than other place. Actually, Ramchandra says, actually everybody like Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Do you like Gauranga Mahaprabhu? Do you like Gauranga Mahaprabhu?
Yes.
এই নবদ্বীপে মোর বড় প্রিয় স্থান, this is my dearest place for me. অযোধ্যাদি নাহি হয় ইহার সমান। Ayodhya is not considered like, is not equal with Ayodhya, beyond Ayodhya, beyond of all the holy places. I think one stand you have to bring. বনবাসের পরবর্তী লাবণ্য, তোমার বিচ্ছেদে কবু স্বর্ণ সীতা করি, ভজিব আমার তোমারে জানি অযোধ্যা নগরী। Sita, when I will leave, when I force him to leave, at that time I will make, in order to perform ceremony, I will make your murti in golden form. This golden form. Now I'm going to make golden form murti of you. Then Kali Yuga I will appear golden form, and switch, switching. In Kali Yuga I will appear golden form. Now, now actually you are not in that one. Now, what I thought about it. অযোধ্যাদি নাহি হয় ইহার সমান এই রাম বট বৃক্ষ কলি আগমনে অদর্শন হইবে সীতা রবে সঙ্গপনে. This Ram bot is under the banyan tree. They are sitting and they are Sita Devi explained. Actually, Ramchandra explained to Sita Devi. This banyan tree will actually disappear, but eventually he will come again. It means actually, in this life, I will make your golden form, Murti, and Kali Yuga, I will take golden form. You understand what is that? I will take golden form. So, in this time, I am sending you in exile. And Kali Yuga, I will go out of home. I will take you out of home. When Ramchandra says, I am going to take you out of home. But after the residence has Kaushik, Ramchandra such a nasty Raja, this king, that he accepts his wife, unchaste wife. You know, the incident happened. How? When people are gossiping like this, Ramchandra, once he came with a normal outfit. And hidden away, he's searching all this residential area. Then one person, the washerman, Dhobi, he is telling to his wife, I am not a Ramchandra, that I will accept you. You stay overnight out of home. That means you are unchaste. That sentence when entered to the Ramchandra's ear, that time Ramchandra decided, no, for the satisfaction of my residence, I have to leave Sita. So I am in this way, say, I am taking you out of home. Kali Yuga, I will be out of home. He will be out. In this period, I will make a golden form of you. And in Kali Yuga, Vishnupriya, you are going to Vishnupriya, you will make my murti. In this Dapur Yuga, in this Treta Yuga, I make your golden form, and you will make in that way. That's everything actually reverse.
Ramachandra explained everything in Mangaji before he leaves.
Yeah. Because first exile, then they back to Ayodhya, then people are gossip. Sita is unchaste, but Sita knows unchaste.
Means Sita knows that before he lived in the forest.
Yeah, during the exile happening, 14 years finish, then they back to Ayodhya. Ramchandra again, Bharat actually request him to rule the country, rule the place. Ramchandra was in Singhasana and the Raja. At that time, everybody gossiped about this. Then Ramchandra decided, I have to leave Sita.
The question was, so Sita, when she comes, she knows already that she's going to have.
Yes, means Sita.
She knows everything in that.
Yes, she knows everything before when she stay alone in the forest.
Sita knows everything. Sita knows everything. Lords know everything. Am I clear? এই রূপে রাম সীতা লক্ষণ সহিত এই স্থানে কতদিন হয়ে অবস্থিত দণ্ডকরণ্যে গেলা কার্য সাধিবারে রামের কুটির স্থান পাও দেখিবারে। So Ram, then okay, I can rest. I can read 4:30.